Hello my lovely peaches, just a cute little video showing some new lights. And oh, that's terrible lighting. Look. How is that the cutest thing? The cutest thing in the world. All right, I'm just gonna show this light, and then see you. And we're over here, the cute cats, the cool cats, shining our lights on those sneaky cats, those creepy cats who need to be caught and trapped forever. Mwah! By the way, this is pink. Can you see? Let's see, I'll show you. You can tell this is pink. They do have white, but of course pink is always better. Although I did get a new keyboard that's coming. It's adorable, and I could have got pink, but I got green. Green is my second favorite color. Well, yellow is my second favorite color. We're gonna get those sneaky cats. Shine our light on their sneakiness and their evil ways. Ha 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 ha. So, a couple years ago, I bought these little puck lights that were supposed to be for the closet and stuff, and then they absolutely sucked, and I returned them, and I never got around to replacing them. And look at this. I found this. This is the cutest thing in the whole wide world.
What did you order?
Oh yeah, I ordered some stuff. Hold on, let me film this.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you. Look at the cutest little thing this is in the whole wide world. I am so in love. Oh my God, she's the cutest. So you can put it on stay on. That's high. You can put it on low. Let me see. I think this is low. Upside down. That's high. And then there's on, off. And then there's motion sensor, but it only seems to work if it's dark enough. So wait, let me see. Let me put this, yeah, put it under. So when it's dark enough, it can just be a motion sensor. So super cute. Wait, where's the little bottom? Where did I put it? Oh. So it has this cute little stand that you can put it on. Then it also has a magnet on the back, or you can stick it on the wall, or, well, it was supposed to, the one bad part is it was supposed to come with this, like, a cute little lanyard thing that you were supposed to loop over here so you could hang it, but it didn't have it. -1 star for the missing lanyard I wanted. So that was the one thing off. Look at how freaking cute this little thing is. A little 3D cat stuck in a, trapped in a little, but it's the cutest. Oh my God, this is so freaking cute. Whoops. Whoa. I wonder if you could hear the front door slamming. This is super, super cute. super, super, super cute. But I only got it yesterday, so I haven't like really used it. Oh, another thing about it is that it's USB rechargeable. So that's very cool. And I spent the entire day watching more deep dive true crime mentor lawyer. He had 8 hours of Patrick Sanford's testimony, and I've watched almost the whole thing between yesterday and today. I did also get a second type of light, and I do have my video that I'm working on, but I was just too tired because I've been working so hard, so I wanted to take a proper break and let myself. And the way I've taken a proper break is to watch almost 8 hours of testimony. But I learned a lot. And now this one is also very cute. And this is a touch light. And if you hold it down, it can dim. It remembers where you left it. And then you can brighten it. And this is touch on and off. Or, oh, it's also USB rechargeable because I don't fuck with batteries. And you can also just turn it on. Oh. Well, what the heck is the difference between... I don't know what the difference is then. Oh, wait, I had it on touch. That was touch. Touch. 10 minutes. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I get it. So you can do that and then it'll turn off in 10 minutes. That's very cool. So, I love it. I charged them for a couple hours last night when they got here. So, we'll see how they actually are in use. I had planned to just like keep them on my desk, and then I got 2 of these, so I'll just hang one on the bathroom door. Well, I kind of gave it to my son so he can have it because, of course, it's the cutest. All right, guys, see you. Oh, I wanted to show you can also attach the thing to the wall and hook it in, but I actually stuck it into my, it's supposed to be the phone holder of my ring light. It has these 2 arms, but it just kind of perfectly stuck there. I also like, I guess you could really get it in the middle. I like how it looks like a flower. And now a little preview clip of the video I am making.
Car by yourself.
Wendy had driven a rental down from Tallahassee, and she was driving.
So Charles got into his own vehicle.
Ah, so she does know how to drive the 9-hour treacherous drive down from Tallahassee to Miami. Wendy drove? You're saying that there was another adult capable driver in the car, but she chose to drive? Ah. Because she does know how to do it. It's her parents who think she's not capable. But she is. Which means she can probably also drive down Centerville Road to the light at Benton Road, to the light at Thomasville Road, to turn into the ABC Liquor.
Driven a rental.
To Charlie's house. Were you and Wendy in the car by yourself?
Wendy had driven a rental down from Tallahassee, and she was driving.
So Charles got into his own vehicle.
Several blocks over from me in Coral Springs. Wendy herself. They would say Team Danny, Team Wendy. It was kind of unnerving, actually. And I was like, I don't want to pick a team. I've become friends with her, too. But he was a wreck. And she didn't want to live in Tallahassee. She hated being here. She was a more of a DC girl or Miami. So I'd go and visit them, whether it was here or whether it was down there. When she left, it was a family effort. Like, parents came up, helped her move, helped conceal everything, get that going.
Just another juicy nugget from Tamara Demko, who is full of juicy nuggets. That sounds gross, but also, yay. And this one was just something that I thought was important to pull out. Her parents came. It was a family affair, helping her move, and they helped to conceal everything, help get that going.
When she left, it was a family effort. Like, parents came up, helped her move, helped conceal everything, get that going. Danny was like beside himself. When she didn't want to move, when she wanted to move, he tried to make it so that she couldn't. And this began a really ugly portion of the legal battle.
If you're interested in more videos like this, including the ASMR cute lights and more stuff about Wendy arrest watch and the Adelson case and justice for Dan Markel and the pop-ins with me walking and all that stuff, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye. I'll make the longer video soon, and I'll share my analysis. And again, if you want me to be able to make more videos like this more often, then join me on Patreon or email me about being a client. Okay, see you. I'm gonna make a better outro than this.